Hello, judges. This is PathPerfect, the jogging pathfinder that will help joggers find, based on their current location and personal distance that they want to travel, the perfect path for them to jog.
Yeah, so here we'll give you a quick demo on how PathPerfect helps joggers find the perfect path. As you can see in front of you, there's a map, and on that map, there's a red pointer right in the middle, and that's basically where you're currently located. And that'll be very user dependent. So if somebody is located in a different country, that red pointer will be in that country, basically wherever they are. So to use our software, on the left, you can see there's a distance miles input bar, and the user can input however many miles they want to jog. So in our case, maybe let's say somebody wants to jog 2 miles, and we click submit, and they'll submit some input to an API, and it will give you this path to follow. And you can kind of see how it's a circular path. And we basically made an algorithm that doesn't or tries to not repeat paths on one way and come back in another way. That way they have like a diverse environment that they can kind of look at. And let's just see if it works for a different distance. Let's just say 5 miles. And again, you can see how it forms kind of this loop shape. Basically, the idea, again, is that it doesn't want to repeat locations to visit, and the runner will have a better experience jogging. And let's try a larger one, say 15. And we can zoom out, and we can see how, again, a very loop-like shape, and the runner can see different environments and have a better experience running.
One thing to note here is that on the bottom left corner, we have the miles that are actually run by the runner. This is because in the ideal world, we would want to find a jogging path that has 15 exact miles. However, that is not the case. That is why our algorithm will try to find something that is similar to 15 miles. In this case, for example, the jogger will run 15.13 miles.
Yeah, exactly. And I guess to kind of showcase what else is on their website, if you scroll down, it'll basically tell you how it works. And we basically talk about the specifics of our algorithm and how it searches for possible paths in 3 different directions first and finds the best possible path based on the criteria as we previously mentioned.
And also on top of that, if you'd like to look at our GitHub repo, then in the top right corner, you can also click on this link. And you can also find it over here.
Yeah, that basically concludes our demo. Thank you so much for listening to our PathPerfect demo, and hope you consider our application.